Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And this morning we're looking at a really gorgeous airplane. And we're going to be talking about this gorgeous airplane and its paperwork. So we'd like to have you subscribe to our channel. Please hit the like button and notify so you can stay current with our latest content. So let's take a look at the airplane. It's very pretty. When we first saw it, we did a pre-purchase on it. Now it's in for an annual, and we found, a few little things, but nothing to really complain about the airplane. And then we started going through the paperwork, and we're going to be talking a lot about the paperwork on an airplane today because, as you can see in this aircraft, it's a gorgeous looking airplane, and you'd like to think that the logbooks and all the maintenance records would be in the same kind of shape. So as we pull the airplane apart, as you can see all the parts stacked around the airplane as we work on it, that we also pull apart the logs and we go through everything in there to make sure that everything that is on this airplane it will have, so that it's legal paperwork wise as well as being legal mechanically to fly. So we'll be standing by for a little bit more paperwork. So the panel looks to be in really good shape, and as we work on the airplane, we found one bad spark plug. We had to replace two hat washers which were missing from the landing gear, a couple of aileron buttons in the rails, and a new left mag gasket. Not bad for an airplane. And as part of going through the paperwork, we usually start off right here. We look at last year's entry for the annual, and what do we see? No N number. It just simply says, has been inspected in accordance with an annual inspection and was determined to be in an airworthy condition. Okay, that's supposedly a legal log entry? Not in my book, because it doesn't discuss the standards to which you inspected the aircraft or what you did to it. Where are the compressions? Where's the ELT battery expiration date? There's a lot missing from that entry. Let's contrast it to the one right below it that Matt did as part of the pre-purchase. He installed a new spinner backplate. Part number tells you what the part number is in accordance with manufacturer's maintenance manual. So we know the standards to which it was installed. And then all the other work would be with the maintenance manual as well. So that's the difference that we look at. We look at airplanes. What kind of maintenance has it had? And how has it been detailed? Those are the things that we're looking for. On this particular airplane, we found the canopy rails to be exceedingly dirty. They needed new canopy buttons, and the airplane was out of rig. A little bit of dirt in the hell hole, but everything else in the airplane was clean and serviceable. Was a nice looking airplane. And as part of our sending the airplane back to the customer, he'll be getting a list of the upcoming inspections for the airplane. And here's a list. N number's been removed, so there's no identifying marks, but take a look, and this helps you keep your airplane current. And then we'd like to thank you for watching our video today. We hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a good day flying your Grumman. And in addition, there's a little treat about 3 o'clock in the morning when I'm doing web work and other stuff. Here's my cat coming down, playing with a mouse and meowing and just having a good time with me in the wee hours of the night. So I thought I would throw this into you as a little treat. Y'all please enjoy.